You have a PDF file, but it's too big. Using Adobe Acrobat, you can compress that file to a smaller size. Here, I will demonstrate how. Before doing that, I'll note that the size of the finished compressed file may vary depending on the materials in the file. Some images can lose a lot of data, but still look acceptable on screen or printed. But other images and information within a PDF may already be pretty lean and offer not a lot of room for compression. So, you may see a dramatic compression result, like what I'm about to show you, or compression that is not as significant a drop from the original file size. Okay, I'm looking at a demo file here in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This PDF, as you've seen, includes pictures. Some of the pictures within the text are not very large. They came in from a .docx file that was converted to create this PDF. This last picture is a big map, and it's an oversized page. This map is 10 megabytes by itself and was added to the PDF file here in Acrobat. This is a common feature of reports and some scholarship, maps, charts, graphs, and other outsized material that, if this were a printed product, would probably be on folding pages. So the total file size is 11.5 megabytes. I want to reduce this as much as possible. If my tools are not open on the left-hand side, I open them by clicking All Tools in the upper left. Then, from the left-hand tool menu, I choose Compress a PDF. I choose Single File on the Compress a PDF menu. Adobe opens a dialog asking me where to save the compressed PDF copy file. I will choose a folder. In the following dialog, I need to give the file a name. Then I click Save. Now, depending how much data is in the PDF, it could take Adobe Acrobat considerable time to compress the file and save the copy. In this case, it did not take much time, and as can be seen, this file, the copy, is less than 1.5 megabytes.